to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need.
Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'll be decorating my dining room for fall. I'm just giving you guys an overview of the items that I will be using. I did share these items in a previous video, so I'll make sure I link that down below. So I did have a bunch of pumpkins already. I didn't want to go out and buy any more, so I decided to do some DIYs to the ones that I already had. I did remove the stems off of the foam pumpkins and spray painted those along with these words that I did purchase from the Dollar Tree. So you will see me doing some DIYs throughout the video along with decorating, and I will show you guys how that turned out later on in the video. Okay, friends, here's how everything turned out. I'm definitely happy with the outcome. I am new to this whole tablescape setting thing. We will not be having any guests for the holidays. Well, we will for Christmas, but I don't usually host for Thanksgiving. We usually do Thanksgiving with my in laws. So this is just for decoration purposes only. I really enjoyed putting all this together. Make sure you come back next week because I will have my living room, kitchen, and I think I'll do a little something in our bedroom as well. So come back to check out that footage. And if you're new here, I wanted to say thank you so much for being a part of my YouTube family, along with the people that have been here for a while and the ones that's always commenting nice things on my videos. You guys are so sweet. I really appreciate it. I just recently reached 13,000 subscribers. So welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. I could not have done this without you guys watching my videos. So I really appreciate you all. As I always say, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. And until next time, my friends, take care.
Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah,